Have you ever looked down at your breakfast and wondered if this simple meal was slowly harming your kidneys? For many seniors, kidney damage does not begin with pain. It all starts with small mistakes that are repeated every morning. The wrong cereal, too much sodium, and fruits that appear healthy but actually overload your body with potassium. Every day, these choices put your kidneys under unnecessary strain, and the truth is frightening. Your kidneys filter approximately 50 gallons of blood per day. Toxins can no longer leave the body efficiently as they weaken. They gradually accumulate in the bloodstream, depleting your energy and putting stress on your heart and blood vessels. But here's some good news. The right breakfast can accomplish the opposite. I'd like to know where you're watching this video and what time it is. Please share in the comments section. Even a brief moment from your day is highly cherished here. If you found this useful, please subscribe to receive future gentle tips tailored to your needs. Certain foods can help reduce inflammation, improve filtration, and give your kidneys a better start to the day. In this video, we'll show you 4 of the best breakfasts seniors can eat to help flush toxins and support kidney health. And stay with me until the end, because the final breakfast on this list may surprise many people, but it could be one of the most powerful kidney-supporting meals you can eat in the morning. Let's get into the video. Number 1, whole oatmeal porridge. Whole oatmeal may appear simple in that bowl, but it can quietly support your kidneys each morning. For people with kidney issues, this is often one of the safest breakfast options. It's gentle on the body, easy to digest, and surprisingly beneficial when consumed regularly. The secret is found in a fiber known as beta-glucan. This soluble fiber lowers LDL cholesterol, regulates blood sugar levels, and promotes healthy digestion. When these systems are in balance, the kidneys work less hard to keep the body stable. But there's another significant benefit. Harvard Health Publishing's research suggests that beta-glucan may also help reduce inflammation in the body. Chronic inflammation and oxidative stress are 2 silent factors that can gradually harm kidney tissue over time. Oatmeal is not a miraculous cure. It will not heal kidney damage overnight. However, when consumed on a regular basis, it gently and consistently supports the body's natural repair systems. Another reason oatmeal works well is that it has a balanced mineral profile. Plain oats have moderate potassium and phosphorus levels, making them suitable for many kidney-friendly diets. In fact, the National Kidney Foundation frequently recommends oats as a better grain option than processed cereals or salty breakfast foods. However, not all oatmeal is equal. Many instant oatmeal packets include sodium, sugar, and phosphate additives. These ingredients can quietly increase the workload on your kidneys while reducing oatmeal's natural benefits. The healthiest option is to use old-fashioned rolled or steel-cut oats. The liquid you use to cook them also matters. Water is the most basic option, but unsweetened almond milk or rice milk can also work well. Regular cow's milk contains more phosphorus, which may be unsuitable for people with kidney disease. Flavor does not require salt. Cinnamon or nutmeg add warmth while also providing natural antioxidants. If you want some sweetness, a small drizzle of honey or maple syrup is usually sufficient. Toppings should be kidney-friendly as well. Blueberries are an excellent choice because they are low in potassium and high in antioxidants that combat oxidative stress. Strawberries and thin apple slices can also work well. Limit your intake of bananas, raisins, and nuts, as they can quickly raise potassium levels. Portion size is still important. For many people who are watching their potassium and phosphorus intake, half a cup of cooked oatmeal is an appropriate starting point. Always check the label on plant-based milks to ensure there are no added phosphates. When prepared properly, oatmeal becomes more than just a warm breakfast. It becomes a relaxing start to the day, allowing your kidneys to function more efficiently. Number 2, boiled eggs. Protein is essential for maintaining strength, particularly as we age. After the age of 60, the body begins to naturally lose muscle mass, and a lack of quality protein can cause weakness and fatigue. However, for people with kidney issues, selecting protein is not always easy. Some protein sources produce more waste, which the kidneys must filter from the bloodstream. When the kidneys are already under strain, an additional workload can gradually exacerbate the problem. This is why the type and quantity of protein you consume in the morning are equally important. Boiled eggs are often regarded as one of the most practical breakfast options for those seeking a healthier source of protein. Nutritionists refer to eggs as a complete protein source. They contain all of the essential amino acids that the body requires to maintain muscle, repair tissues, and boost the immune system. Equally important, egg protein is highly digestible. The body can absorb and use the majority of it efficiently, resulting in less metabolic waste when compared to higher protein foods such as processed meats. This efficiency reduces unnecessary strain on the kidneys. When the body uses protein efficiently, the kidneys do not have to work as hard to filter excess byproducts. Another advantage is the mineral composition. In comparison to many other breakfast proteins, eggs are naturally low in sodium and potassium. This makes them easier to incorporate into meals for those who need to limit their sodium or potassium intake. In contrast, foods such as bacon, sausage, and processed deli meats frequently contain high levels of sodium and preservatives. Over time, these ingredients can raise blood pressure and put extra strain on the kidneys. However, many people are unaware of one important detail. The egg yolk and egg white have different effects on the body. Egg whites are nearly pure protein with very little phosphorus. One egg white provides approximately 4 grams of high-quality protein while being relatively gentle on the kidneys. As a result, many kidney dietitians consider egg whites to be one of the best protein options for the kidneys. In contrast, the yolk contains a higher concentration of phosphorus. One large yolk can contain approximately 90 to 100 milligrams. When kidney function declines, phosphorus can accumulate in the blood if the kidneys are unable to effectively remove it. This does not imply that yolks should always be avoided, but balance becomes important. Many kidney specialists recommend a simple approach: 1 whole egg plus 1 or 2 extra egg whites. This preserves the flavor and nutrients of the yolk while lowering the overall phosphorus load. Preparedness is also important. Boiling eggs is one of the healthiest cooking methods because it does not require any oil or salt. Seasoning can be kept simple by using black pepper or fresh herbs instead of extra sodium. When eaten in moderation and prepared simply, boiled eggs can provide seniors with consistent protein that promotes muscle strength and energy throughout the day. Number 3, whole wheat bread with avocado. Many people believe that whole wheat bread and avocado are always good for the kidneys. However, the truth is slightly more complicated. This breakfast can be beneficial or harmful to people with kidney problems, depending on how it is prepared and how much is consumed. Whole wheat bread contains complex carbohydrates, which slowly release energy throughout the morning. Instead of causing a sudden spike in blood sugar, it allows the body to remain more stable. Stable blood sugar is important because repeated spikes can damage blood vessels over time, including the tiny filtering structures within the kidneys. Fiber provides an additional benefit. Whole wheat bread contains insoluble fiber, which aids digestion and moves waste through the intestines. When digestion is efficient, the body can naturally remove more waste, potentially reducing the burden on the kidneys. Avocado provides additional benefits. It contains healthy monounsaturated fats, vitamin E, and natural antioxidants. These nutrients help to reduce inflammation and promote cardiovascular health. This connection is significant because the heart and kidneys work closely together. When circulation and blood pressure are under control, kidney function is more likely to stay stable. For people in the early stages of kidney disease, this combination of fiber and healthy fats can improve blood sugar control and cholesterol levels. These two factors are strongly linked to long-term kidney health. However, there is one major concern that many people overlook. Avocados are naturally rich in potassium. Potassium is an essential mineral, but as kidney function deteriorates, the body may struggle to eliminate excess potassium from the blood. If potassium levels become excessively high, they can disrupt heart rhythm and pose serious health risks. A whole avocado can have hundreds of milligrams of potassium. For some kidney patients, that amount can quickly deplete a significant portion of their daily potassium limit. Whole wheat bread contains more phosphorus than white bread. While some of this phosphorus is less efficiently absorbed by the body, it can still accumulate if consumed in large quantities. This does not mean avocado toast should be avoided entirely, but portion size is critical. A quarter of an avocado is a safer alternative to the entire fruit. This still provides a creamy texture and healthy fats without increasing potassium intake too much. A thin layer on the toast is often sufficient for flavor. Bread selection can also make a difference. Some people with kidney problems may be able to tolerate small portions of whole wheat bread, while others may benefit from sourdough or white bread with lower phosphorus levels. Individual needs may differ depending on kidney function and lab results. Salt should always be limited. Many store-bought breads already contain sodium, so adding more can quickly increase the overall amount. Instead, a squeeze of lemon juice or a few slices of cucumber or radish can enhance the flavor without adding additional minerals. When prepared properly, this breakfast can be enjoyed in moderation. The combination of slow-digesting carbohydrates and healthy fats can help you feel fuller for longer and provide consistent energy all morning. With the right portion and simple ingredients, whole wheat bread with avocado can be a balanced and satisfying breakfast that promotes overall health while reducing kidney stress. Number 4, blueberry smoothie. Not everybody wakes up hungry in the morning. For many seniors, a heavy breakfast can be difficult to finish. Chewing can be tiring, and your appetite may be lower than it was previously. In those cases, a light and refreshing smoothie can be the most convenient way to start the day. When properly prepared, a blueberry smoothie can also provide nutrients that promote kidney health. Blueberries are well known for their high antioxidant content, particularly anthocyanins. These natural pigments give blueberries their deep blue color, but they also serve an important function within the body. According to research, anthocyanins can help reduce inflammation and protect cells from oxidative stress. This is significant because oxidative stress and inflammation are two factors that can gradually damage the delicate blood vessels within the kidney. When these tiny filtering vessels are damaged, the kidneys may struggle to effectively remove waste from the bloodstream. Another benefit of blueberries is their mineral content. Blueberries contain less potassium than many other fruits. This makes them a safer fruit option for those who need to watch their potassium intake. Blueberries are naturally low in sodium and phosphorus. Individuals with impaired kidney function must maintain these minerals in balance to avoid unnecessary strain on the kidneys. However, the safety of a smoothie is not solely dependent on the fruit. Many popular smoothie ingredients can quickly increase potassium levels. Bananas, oranges, coconut water, and copious amounts of spinach are popular additions that may not be suitable for people with kidney problems. This is why keeping the smoothie simple is usually the safest option. A basic blueberry smoothie can be made by blending 1 cup of blueberries with 1 cup of unsweetened almond or rice milk. These plant-based alternatives typically have lower phosphorus and potassium levels than regular cow's milk, making them a gentler base for kidney-friendly beverages. To achieve a thicker texture, a small amount of frozen cauliflower can be blended in without significantly increasing potassium levels. It adds creaminess while keeping the beverage light. Flavor can be kept simple as well. A dash of cinnamon or a drop of vanilla extract can provide warmth without adding sugar or sodium. Sweeteners are usually unnecessary because blueberries contain natural sweetness. Protein powders are another ingredient to approach with caution. Some powders contain high levels of phosphorus or additives that are not good for kidney health. Anyone thinking about adding protein powder should first consult with a doctor or dietitian. Portion size is still important. A moderate smoothie serving can supply antioxidants and hydration without overloading the body with minerals. When made this way, a blueberry smoothie becomes a gentle and refreshing way to begin the day. It contains antioxidants, improves circulation, and provides a light source of nourishment that many seniors enjoy. As you can see, safeguarding your kidneys does not always necessitate complex diets or costly supplements. Sometimes the simplest decisions you make every morning make the biggest difference. A warm bowl of oatmeal can soothe your body and reduce inflammation. Boiled eggs can provide clean, efficient protein to help maintain strength. Whole wheat toast with a small avocado can be beneficial to heart health and energy levels. A blueberry smoothie can also provide antioxidants that protect your cells from oxidative stress. Each of these breakfasts works differently, but they all have one important goal in common: to help your body function more efficiently and with less strain on your kidneys. Of course, no one meal is perfect for everyone. Your kidney health, blood test results, and medical conditions all influence what foods are best for you. That is why it is critical to always follow your doctor's or dietitian's recommendations. However, when you start your day with foods that nourish your body rather than stress it, small habits can grow into powerful, long-term protection. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe so you don't miss the next videos on kidney health and senior nutrition. Before you leave, please tell us in the comments section below, which of the following breakfasts would you try first? Your experience might be useful to someone else watching today.